Hello. To release exam phobia, I am again here to produce something. Let's see. I've come back with two problems of AP. The 40th term of an AP is twice its 8th term. Here is the relation. Without relation, we cannot have equation. Without equation, there is no solution. So, first of all, you have to write in an equation. The 14th term of an AP is equal to twice its 8th term, 2 into 8. This problem doesn't have first term and common difference. So, let the first term be A, let first term be A, and CD, common difference, be D. Now, this relation is given. A 14th term is equal to twice of 8th term. We know the identity of this nth term with this n. Instead of n, it is 14 given. So, it is A plus 14 minus 1 into D is equal to 2 into A plus 8 minus 1 into D. Now you see, this is A plus 13 D is equal to 2A plus 7 into 2, 14 D. Now if I solve this equation, this 2A, if I can transfer this on this side, the 2A is A. So 2A minus A is equal to, if I take it this side, then this is 13D minus 14D. Therefore, we have A is equal to minus D. Here, A is equal to minus D. Now keep it in mind, obviously these two terms are known quantities, but definitely one other equation is given here. We will just try to find something from this equation. Okay. Now you see, we have now A is equal to minus D. Now our turn is to simplify this one. Again, we will put the identity of this one, A plus 5. 1 less than this number, 5D is equal to minus 8. A is equal to, we had minus D plus 5D is equal to minus 8. So therefore 4D is equal to minus 8. 4 cancels, minus 2. So D is also with us minus 2. If D is minus 2, we had earlier A is equal to minus D. So A is equal to minus 2. This is 2. So A is 2 and D is minus 2. Now find the sum of its first 20 terms. Now we don't have any difficulties. We will just use this identity, this one, so that we will get the result. We have A is equal to 2 and D is equal to minus 2. Now you see here, this is given 6th term. This is your A minus 8. From these two relations, we have got A is equal to 2 and D is equal to minus 2. Sum of 20 term, let's say 20 is equal to this identity, 20 upon 2, 2 into A plus 19D. You know, this is 20 minus 1 less than the number of terms. So this is 10 and this is 2 into A is 2 plus 19 into minus 2. This is 10 This is 4 minus 38. This is 10 minus 34. This is minus 340. This is the sum of the 20 terms of this AP. I hope you have followed this one. Whenever this relation is given, you try to have an equation and follow these identities. So you this question. Now you follow this question. Find the sum of all the 11 terms of an AP whose middle term is 30. Again, we do not have first term and common difference. Let first term be A and common difference be D. Now, if we have 11 terms, so what is the middle term? From the concept of median, we know this odd number. So 11 plus 1, 12 upon 2, that is 6 term is the middle term. Here the value of middle term is given. So here A6, that means the middle term, because we have 11 terms, and 11 plus 1 upon 2 is 6. So this is 6 is the middle term. So we will go with this. Say 6 is equal to 30. We will write the equation first. Now we will put the formula, identity. This is 6 upon, this is your A plus 1 less 5D is equal to 30. Now we are asked to find the sum of all the 11 terms of it. Okay. Now here you come S11. We know 11 upon 2, 2 into first term, 11 minus 1, 10D. Yeah. If we take 2 common out, 11 upon 2 into 2, this will be A plus 5. See, when we have the faith on God, it's all right there. God is always there. And here also you see that again we have A plus 5D, which is nothing but 30. So 11 into 30, this is 330 is the sum of 11 terms of this set. So you have followed anything? Whenever a condition is given, like middle term, the value of middle term is given, you write the middle term. But you first know which one is middle term. 11 terms are there, so definitely middle term is 6th one. So 6th term is this one. You have this one, leave it here. And go for using the identity of this sum of 11 terms. And again, definitely, when God has given us this beautiful world, He has given everything to us for our survival. Like the same thing here also the same thing, right? If questions are given, the solutions will automatically come. And this is the answer. And I do hope you have followed and try to solve this with a hope and try to keep it in your mind. The basic concept of what I want to convey is that whenever something is given, you just write symbolically and write their formulas. And that will give you definitely the answer. And this way we have the answer. Okay. Hello. Let me share some tricks for solving this type of problem. I quality shared with you regarding this type of binomial, quadratic equation here. But my suggestion is that you just factorize first, this one, and then take the support of this 9x square. That means you have to combine 3x with their factors. Let's see. I already in my last class I shared with you all regarding this type of problems. When you have this here also an expression which will be again factorized. So here let's 9x square minus 9a plus b plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. You need not bother about this one, what it is here, let it be here. First of all, you factorize this. 9x square minus 9a plus b into x. Okay? Obviously this x is there, and plus, if I want to factorize this one, this is 2 to the 4, and 4 1 the 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. The middle term splitting factor. 2a square plus 4ab plus ab plus 2b square. First of all, you have to factorize this expression. Now 9x square minus 9 into a plus bx plus, here if you take common 2a, this is a plus 2b, and this is b, this is a plus 2b. Oh, you have the factor. No? So this is your 9x square minus 9a plus bx plus a plus 2b into a plus 2b into 2a plus b. That means a plus 2b into 2a plus b. We have two factors here, but my suggestion is with you all. This is 3x square, is 9x square is here. If I split 9, this is 3 into 3. Since this is positive sign, I told you, here you have this sign. When you split this middle term, the sign will be the same one. Because the multiplication of the same sign will always give you product. That is the reason. Here, come again. 9x square minus this 3x you add with this one, and again minus sign, because I told you since it's plus, this both the sign will be same. It's negative, so both the sign will be negative. You put 3x, and the next factor is your 2a plus b. You write 2a plus b, and then you write this one a plus 2b into 2a plus b is equal to 0. Again take common from these two and these two. I hope you will be satisfied with the factor that you need. Common factor. Here you take 3x. This is 3x minus a plus 2b minus this one 2a plus b. Obviously take 2a plus b. Once you are taking minus common, you have to change the sign. Keep it in mind. If you don't change this sign, you will not have the common factor, and obviously when you take out common minus, you have to change the sign accordingly. Right? This is your 3x minus a plus 2. You see, this is again common. This portion is again common. This portion. So we will write this one here. Let me rub this one for your sec, and this is what I want to convey. 3x minus a plus 2b, a plus 2b, and this is your 3x minus 2a plus b. I hope you have got it. So this part will be 0. If I write this part is 0, so obviously 3x minus a plus 2b. You put the bracket always, otherwise you have to change the sign. 3x is equal to a plus 2b, x is equal to a plus 2b upon 3. This is the one result. And wait for the next one. And this is also we have already here. So this is your 3x minus 2a plus b is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 2a plus b, x is equal to 2a plus b upon 3. So I hope you have followed this one. First of all, that polynomial has to be factorized to get two factors and then split the middle term on the basis of those two factors. You take the help of those two factors and just with them you just take this part. Consider 3a is 3 are 9. So both we have just combine 3x with these two factors and we have split middle term. This way we have got it. So next the question is like this. Nowadays you will face 2 marks question, 3 marks question, 4 marks question. So definitely this time key whatever you have the syllabus, in this syllabus key you will face either to solve the value of solve for x, or you will be facing the problem related to nature of roots, that is b square minus 4c discriminant, that I will tell you again during this period. And you just keep following. I hope you will be having some sort of help from me. Okay. Now this one again, middle term splitting, I will go pi root 2 into root 2. If you don't know, you come here. Now the root 2 into root 2 is 2, 5 into 2 this is 10. If I factorize, this is 5 into 2 and 5 at 2 will give me 7. So it is root 2 x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now you take common this. Here root 2x, this is your, if you take root 2x common, so definitely this will be x plus root 2 and this is 5, this is x plus root 2. This is very simple and you may face for 2 marks question. Like at a glance if you see, it will be a bit difficult, but we know if I multiply the root with the same root or it's by itself, it will be the rational number itself. Okay, now x plus root 2 and this is root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0. Again we have either this part is 0 or this part is 0. So this x is equal to minus root 2. This will give me x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. We don't keep there. So this you may write 5 root 2 upon 2 by rationalizing with the root 2. This is all about these two problems. This is your quick qualification. 2 questions today. I'm just trying to give you more and more support. That is the reason I'm just taking questions from the chapters which are in your syllabus right this time. Okay. We have a problem like PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter. PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. First of all, you recall that lesson. I've already explained OP bisect PQ. So definitely, giving this explanation, you write PR is equal to half of PQ, 4 centimeter. We know this is bisected perpendicularly by the OP. So this is a right angle triangle. To find length we know we use Pythagoras Theorem in right angle triangle. Here also we have a right angle triangle where hypotenuse is given 5, perpendicular is 4, the base we know by Pythagorean triplets is 3. But don't bother about that. In right triangle PRO by Pythagoras, obviously, by Pythagoras, what we have, OP square is equal to PR square plus OR square. OP square is equal to OR square plus PR square. Now we know OP is 5 square given. What we have to find out, here is your 4 square. If I take this side, this is 5 square minus 4 square is equal to OR square, and this is your 9 over square, or over is equal to 3 centimeter. Now we have got this is 3 centimeter, right? My sixth formula for circle, if you have my earlier session where I have already explained regarding the circle, there I have given 6 formulas. The last one is your this triangle, I mean PRO and PTO will be similar for this type of problem to find out PT. Using this data, but I have 5, 4, 3. With the help of this data, we will find out PT. How? With the help of Pythagoras, we have got one that you have already come to know. Now you see, we will write here because this is your problem on geometry. You need not that way key. That way you have to explain elaborately. You may write angle PRO is equal to angle TPO is equal to 90 degree each. So equal, and POR is equal to POT, common. So with the help of these two angle, triangle, I told you TPO and is similar to PRO triangle. By similarity we have, by similarity, what we have, just remember, but by similarity you write by similarity. I told you earlier, this is your PO upon, this is 90 degree, opposite to 90 degree, this is TO, and this is your TO. But we don't need TO at all. What we need is, TO is not given, leave it. This angle, third angle, is equal to this angle I told you earlier. So opposite to this one is over, you write. And opposite to this angle is your, of the greater one, PO. Otherwise, you may also watch my other earlier video where we have already discussed. 1 upon PO, this is over, this is opposite to this angle PO, and this is common angle, opposite to this is PR upon this is PT. Here I will have the result. Now 1 is 3, PO, this is 5 centimeters, PR, this is 4 centimeters, and PT we have to find out. Now you see, this is directly 3 PT is equal to 20, or PT is equal to 20 upon. If it is in centimeter, this is also centimeter. That's what the result is. So, we have been given this data, which is bisected by this, I told you, and this is 4, since this is 8, this is 5. By Pythagoras, we will find first this one, and then we will use similarity with this triangle, I mean this one and the greater one. Because this angle is common to both, this is 90 and this is 90. That's what we have right here, and it is very simple way to solve this problem. Okay. Now here is a very important question for you. This is a circle of center O, AB is the diameter, OC, OB, OA, all are radii. Now the question, the tangent at point C of a circle, this one, and a diameter AB, when extended, It intersects the tangent at P. Intersect at P. If PCA, that means this PCA, this angle is totally given 110 degree. You are asked to find out this angle. Follow. Very nice. Try to follow this angle. First of all, here is a fundamental idea when PC is a tangent and OC is radii. Therefore, tangent makes 90 degree with radii always. This is the fundamental idea. So PCO is 90 degree is known to us. Therefore, angle OCA is equal to is nothing but a PCA minus PCO. So this is 110 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 20 degree. You see, we know this PCO is 90 degree. Since PCA is given 110, so if we subtract this angle, definitely this is 20 degree, right? If it is 20 degree, you see OCA is an isosceles triangle. I told you, whenever a center will be with the vertex and other two vertices will lie on the circumference, then it will be definitely an isosceles triangle. So if this angle is 20 degree, I mean this angle, if this angle is 20 degree, so definitely this angle is also 20 degree. But, so for next step, here you have to write after this, but OC is equal to OA, therefore triangle OCA is an isosceles, is an isosceles. If it is an isosceles, so definitely angle CAO is 20 degree. Now we have CAO is 20 degree, but angle BCA is 90 degree. Since AB is the diameter, same circular angle, in triangle ABC, angle BCA plus angle CBA plus angle CAB is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of triangle. Okay? Because CAO and CAB are both the same angles. So this is also 20 degree. This is 90 degree plus this is CBA. What you have to find out? So angle CBA is equal to 180 minus 110. This is 70. So this angle is 70. This is all about today. I'll come back tomorrow with some more and more problems. You will get some of support from me during this period. All the best, and hope you will be following my lessons well. Thank you.